Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a membership video on your YouTube channel to a regular uploaded video on your YouTube channel. Now, I did have paid memberships. If you're wondering what that is, it's when you have specific videos on your channel that the only way a person can view it is to actually pay you a sum of money every month. Now, I did try the paid memberships, but it didn't really pan out for me. And quite honestly, I don't really like the idea of charging somebody a monthly fee to watch my videos. So I'm changing it back to regular uploads now. So to do that, you're going to go to your web browser and then go to YouTube. Now you're going to click on your icon in the top right hand corner, then go to YouTube Studio, and once you go to YouTube Studio, you're going to click on Content on the left. Now I can't actually show this step because the first page shows what I make on YouTube in a month, and I really don't think that's anybody's business. So I'm just going to skip over that and show you everything from there on. So go YouTube Studio and then Content. Once you're on Content, you're going to scroll down and look for the membership video that you want to change to a regular upload. Alright, so it's not on the first page, so I'm going to click on this arrow and go to next page. Scroll down again. And here's one right here. As you can see, it says members. So you're going to click on the drop down arrow beside members. Then change it to public and click on publish. Alright, so it's now a public video on YouTube instead of a paid membership. But that's how you do it. That's how you change it from a paid membership to a regular upload. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.